warm heart and the frozen stone by Teacher's Domain. In a magical place called the Feeling Forest, emotions shaped everything. Flowers glowed brighter when creatures were happy, and trees drooped gently when someone felt sad or lonely. Luma the fox padded softly through the forest, always watching and listening. When someone felt hurt or scared, Luma sat close, listened carefully, and helped them feel understood. Bran the stone troll stomped through the forest with heavy steps. He believed feelings were silly. "Caring makes you weak," he grumbled, never stopping to help anyone. One morning, Luma greeted Bran by the river. "Good day," Luma said kindly. Bran scoffed. "Save your softness," he replied, turning his back and walking away. Suddenly, dark clouds filled the sky. Wind howled, rain poured, and the forest trembled. Animals cried out, frightened by the roaring storm and rising river. Luma hurried from place to place, guiding animals to safety. "Follow me," Luma said calmly. Gentle words helped everyone feel brave, even while the storm raged on. Bran stood firm at first, but the muddy riverbank crumbled beneath him. He sank deeper with every step, his stone heart pounding with a feeling he didn't recognize, fear. "Help!" Bran shouted at last. His voice shook. For the first time, he felt small and alone, wishing someone would care enough to listen. Hearing the cry, Luma rushed back. Without hesitation, Luma tossed a vine and pulled Bran free. "I'm here," Luma said gently, offering comfort instead of blame. A soft song floated through the rain. Mira the bluebird appeared, singing, "When you care for others' hearts, your own heart learns to grow warm and strong." Bran felt something change. A small crack of light appeared in his stone chest. He finally understood how kindness feels and why it matters. After the storm, Bran helped rebuild broken homes. He listened when others spoke and offered help without being asked. The forest seemed brighter with every caring act. And so the Feeling Forest flourished again. The lesson was clear: empathy is strength. When we care about others' feelings, we create kinder hearts, stronger friendships, and a better world for everyone.
Now it is your turn to read.
Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment, and thank you for your support.